Philodendron. This is the one with the golden leaves. Philodendron with green leaves. Philodendron. Look at this. This is in a small plant. I put a small cutting only. Now it's going up to this palm tree. Look at this. So these are the node areas of this plant. You can multiply easily with a cutting. Another variety of philodendron. Look how beautiful. These are low maintenance and permanent plants for your garden. Even if you are a beginner, bring a small stem cutting and you can grow them without any effort. Look at these node areas. These are the node areas where you can multiply them with cuttings. This is a small cutting of philodendron, golden philodendron, in a DIY plant. So these plants are very easy to grow from stem cuttings. So make sure there's a node in the stem cutting, and either in water or in soil you can grow them very easily. So when you put these plants in water, after propagating in water, you can transfer them to soil. So friends, these are low maintenance plants. You can grow them in any plant you like. And this is one of the permanent plants. When talking about the soil mixture, take garden soil, cocoa peat and sand in equal portions. I want to show you the roots. Wait, I will show you the roots in a stem cutting. So here I took a small cutting out and see. Now these are the node areas. Put them in water and there's a root appearing already. So it's very easy to grow this plant. Either you bring it from a nursery or you take it from a friend of yours. So this is a very nice healthy looking plant and a very beautiful leafy plant. There are many colors as well, as I have shown the varieties to you. When you keep these plants indoors as an indoor plant, because this is one of the best house plants, you can just water them every third day. Don't go to regular water these plants. You can skip regular watering, but give it a mist spray because these plants loves the moisture balance in the soil, and also it will give a very fresh and greeny look. Most important thing about philodendrons are that you will have to keep in mind not to overwater, and do not keep them in the bright light area. These are for the shade because they are shade loving plants, just like the pothos plants. You don't have to keep them in the bright light because these plants prefers the shade. This is one of the very easy to grow plants and also low maintenance and low care, and a permanent plant. A beginner gardener can easily grow them. So there are many varieties also. If you are a person who loves these beautiful leafy plants, then this is what philodendron plants are for you. So grow them very easily. If you have any questions about the philodendron plant, you can put your questions below in the comments bar. So friends, this is another episode from Thamara's garden. We'll see you soon with another gardening episode. And friends, if you are new, consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. If your philodendron plant doesn't get enough water, this is what happens. They look droopy. So now I'm going to give it some water. These plants are moisture loving plants, and also friends, they prefer a little bit of, they grow really well in high humidity levels. So this is one of the plants which is very beautiful. Their leaves are very beautiful. If you are a house plant lover, this one plant is for you. So these plants are really very beautiful. Collect them all if you can. There are many varieties. Philodendron plants are also like the money pothos plants. Their requirements almost the same. So this is another plant for the shady area.